Hey, what's up, Grandpops?
Oh, hey, what's up, son? What's up? Hey, can you close the door while you coming in?
Oh yeah, sure. That's cool. That's cool. You know, everything all good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know. So how's it been?
Oh, pretty good, pretty good. You know what I'm saying? I'm just just sitting down. You know what I'm saying? Hey, everything good. So we could just chill. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just come on, sit down. You know what I'm saying?
All right. So yeah, I just came over here just to check your sugar. You know what I'm saying? Your blood sugar and all that, and what you been doing. So everything's good. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, but what about you?
Oh, everything is good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, right. Hey, everything's all right. Okay. So yeah, everything's just chill. Just go ahead and you know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, everything's fine. You know, so don't try to complain. Yeah.
Whoa, Pops, is you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. You know what I'm saying? Everything's all right. Don't worry about me, son. Everything's all right. Okay. Everything's okay.
Are you sure? Cause like I was just trying to check on you just in case you okay. Cause you taking all your medicines and stuff like that. So you okay? Cause you coughing right now. So
Oh yeah, everything's fine. It's just that just a lot of dust in my area. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like you may not see it right now, but like you know what I'm saying, just it's coffee. You know.
hey, Grandpa, just slow down. Just take a deep breath. You know what I'm saying? Everything. I'm just trying to get you good. You know what I'm saying? No cough too much. Just make sure that things are good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Hey son, don't worry about it. You know I'm good. I'm straight. Okay. So don't worry. Don't think that way. You know what I'm saying? So things fine. You know, just don't worry about me coffee. You know what I'm saying? I'm good right now. All right. Okay.
Okay, if you said everything's good, you know what I'm saying? Just I ain't gonna worry about you. You know everything's fine then. You know, I ain't gonna worry about you.
Good. All right. Yeah. Let me turn on the TV. You know what I'm saying? Let's watch something. You know what I'm saying? Cause so everything good with you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Wait, hold on. Is this Good Times?
Yeah, this is all right. Yeah. Good times. Yeah, everybody go. Yeah.
There's nothing like those familiar. So you want more?
More great camera features and more power. And more than just unlimited data, we give you unlimited plans.
All right.
Feel included for life.
Because
Good. All right.
Talking like this, saying,
You ain't gonna say nothing about my health, are you? Cause I'm good. You know what I'm saying?
No, I ain't gonna say nothing about your health. It's just that like you coughing so much. It's like dang, you just coughing so much. It's like I'm not even coughing, so I'm just feeling like do you need to go to the hospital or something?
No, I'm good.
Thanksgiving Day at 7 on TV1. It's time to get your praise on.
You know what? I'm just gonna go. You know?
Wait, where you going?
I'm just about to go, cause I mean, like you say you good, so I mean, cause I just came over here just to check on you, so you know, I'm just gonna go.
What, Chris?
Oh Lord, I gotta call the ambulance.